So welcome back to this brand new video. This video is really, it feels like we are getting, further and further into actually doing something cool. Okay, but basically this video is based on the fact that if you get connected to a Wi-Fi, I'm talking about if you get connected to a Wi-Fi, in that case I'm saying, and it is open network. You know what I'm talking, there is like no passwords. You need to, like, it's an open network, like there's no authentication, something like that, open. So in that case you will be able to see the websites the people visit and the passwords they have typed in it. So anyway, it's like far-fetched thing in this video. So what was in this video basically? Okay, so what is this? Yeah, this basically, in the monitor mode you are checking for the different um, Wi-Fi routers shown to us so that we can connect to. So the 2.54 gigahertz and all this, like, these are the Wi-Fi is available to us. But do we care? No, we do not care. We know about all of this, right? How to get this. In the past we have done it and so well. So anyway, so in this time we just, okay, it hit him. So that security, that guy name, I don't know if I forgot his name. So whatever his name was, he was talking about this Wi-Fi router having the BSS ID, this like MAC address F823B2B95058A8. So this is his Wi-Fi. So basically his host laptop or desktop was connected to this Wi-Fi on which he was running the VMware virtualization software. Like the Linux was running on the VMware software, right? So the host system was connected to this. Basically, this Wi-Fi here is his Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's saying like that is why he's doing all these attacks. Like, to not do anything illegal, kind of. So that, so cool it is to even, like, like we are choosing to be not illegal or anything. Such a great place to be right now. Anyway, so he chose this one. This was his Wi-Fi router. Anyway, so we have to type this command aerodump ng bssid, like basically mention the bssid, his router's bssid, or any wireless router you see here, that bssid. And we need to type in channel, like channel, if you can see here, zoom it and you can see under the channel it's 2, in the, like, for the same BSSID router. So anyway, then after that you need to write write, and then you have to write test. What it basically does, whatever packages of data that Aerodom ng software will pick up, it will be written, it will be saved in a test file. So it is recommended after test file or any whatever you want to name your text file as, you write underscore 01 at the end, add it underscore 01. And after that, mon 0 is basically the wireless card's name, which is in a monitor mode. Should be in a monitor mode, not in a manage mode. Anyway, when you press enter after this command, so this kind of a thing pops up. And let me just show further. Basically, it will just focus on the BSSID, like only one router right now, and station of this is it, and it shows how far it is, what is the internet, the speed of that, and how much data is lost, and how much frames are sent. And probe is basically a very cool thing, right? For example, there are some Wi-Fi devices and they're trying to connect to some other Wi-Fi devices. Okay, so in that situation that will be shown here, but in this case I guess there are no Wi-Fi devices trying to connect to it, so it's a good thing. Do we care right now about anything? No. So this also shows us the data, like, yeah, encryption. The encryption is WPA2. That's basically is very good encryption is there. And how to break the encryption and all will be taught in the coming lectures. That's crazy stuff. So, but it's like if your encryption is like open encryption, it's like something like that. It's like there is no encryption. You can straight away connect to the Wi-Fi. In that case, you can look into what is the data transferred among the devices. So if you wait for some time, it will just show some different. We'll just show for the same BSS ID what are the different Wi-Fi devices that have connected to it. Okay, these are different Wi-Fi devices that are connected, and gradually with time we will understand that this 80E65022A2E8 after the file are saved, after that packets are sniffed, after that data which is sent for these stations are saved on our laptop using one software is there that is called, let me just show you his name. Its name is Wireshark. Okay, so Wireshark is used to analyze the data. Okay, analyze the sniff data, sniff packet which we have saved right now. So that actually will uh, with time it will reveal the fact that um this is how you do it. You just type Wireshark and you just press enter, and this kind of interface open up. You press OK if there is some error, and you go to file and you press on open, and basically the files are saved in the root directory itself. So you just press enter. After that, the cool stuff is you will be shown on the right hand side the BSS ID, or the not the BSS ID, basically a BSS ID also. Who knows what? So it will be shown there, and basically if you go back to your this place, the stations and the data which we have received, they have the same MAC address. Basically, we get to know that the device which it was sending data to was none other than an Apple device. So this is how we collect small data. And when you look into this Hawaii thing here, you realize that Hawaii is nothing but the router name. Like the BSS ID we selected has the same MAC address as the Hawaii device which we are showing. We're showing. So it uses Hawaii chipset. So that's all. So let's try practicing this, man. Let's open VMware and let's run it. Hopefully the audio is recording. Tung tung baja tung tung baja tung tung baja tanana. Tera mera vira vichaland baja da ting tung kada da tung tung ta. So what is the command we need to type? There's a lot of command we need to type right now. First of all, we have to set our Wi-Fi card to um, monitor mode, and after that we have to type this, and that's all. And then Wireshark, and then open and analyze. Simple. Tung tung budget tung budget. Should I pause and come back? No, it opened. Root tour tung budget tung budget tung budget tung budget tung budget tung budget tung tega badada tung kadada tung. Still takes so much time to load, but it's faster than before. Anyway, so it opened. So let's go to terminal. Let's go to terminal only. Let's not go to terminator. Terminator some other time. So let's just zoom it, and this. Oh, sorry, we have to use clear command here, and we can try different thing. IW config. Let's say if our Wi-Fi is IW config. So our device is not shown. Basically, we have not connected the external Wi-Fi card. So I connected right now, and there was a notification in my ears on my headphones. We just do the same command, and it's in a managed mode right now. So we gotta convert it. How do we do it? I have forgotten. I guess IW config. Hey, before you have to do if config LAN 0 down, and then this you have to turn it off, right? And then LAN mode monitor, and let's see IW config. So it has what is this? Retry short limit. What was shown before about it? Retry short limit, encryption key is off. Okay, basically we got into it monitor mode. That's all we wanted. I guess that will serve our purpose. Okay, what is the next thing we're gonna try right now? Is typing our command. I think we have to LAN 0 up, right? LAN 0 up to use it. If config LAN 0 up. Okay. Let's clear the screen and let's check if config, if it is showing. Yeah, it is showing and it's fine. Let me just clear again. Let's do IW config and everything works fine right now. So what we do right now is just type, let me just try to recall the command. It was, do you remember the command? IW config? Um, I don't remember the command. Sad. So it was not IW config, aerodump ng bssid. Okay, aerodump ng, aerodump, I guess, ng, aerodump ng, I guess, hyphen bssid. Hey, wait a second. Before typing bssid and all, we need to check for the Wi-Fi is available to us, right? How do we do that? Okay, aerodump. Okay, aerodump ng LAN 0, right? So yeah, so this is gonna show us the Wi-Fi is available to us. So this is the Wi-Fi. I think we will try right now. WPA. All of them have a WPA encryption, but let's just to be safe, I'll use my Wi-Fi. So we'll just Control C to just quit it, and we'll see my Wi-Fi is showing there, and which has a BSS ID of this. So we'll just copy this, and we have a channel name for 6, right? BSS ID, yeah. So it has a channel 6. So first of all, right now we're gonna type in the very command which we are talking about. And what is that? Oh, what is the command? Aerodump, aerodump ng bssid hyphen channel to hyphen write test, or whatever you want to name, and LAN 0 in our case in a monitor mode. I forgot again, but let's try aerodump hyphen ng, aerodump hyphen ng. After that, hyphen bssid, this thing bssid. What is the bssid, by the way? Okay, we could write the BSS ID, but along with that, something else also came, BSS ID. So where was my BSS ID? This was the BSS ID. Okay, great. Okay, and after that, channel, right? Hyphen CHANNEL, channel. Channel is 6. Very good. After that, hyphen right. And after that, I guess we got to name our file. So just let's name it test underscore 01. After that, LAN 0. So we'll compare it. Okay, we'll just minimize it so that we can compare it. So let's compare it. Okay, so we have aerodump ng bssid, and our Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi's, my home iPhone Wi-Fi's, that, and we just type in channel 6, then we write right, and they have to just name it the line. I think it's correct. So okay, let me just zoom it in again. Let's press enter. Okay, everything looks correct. Crazy. So right now, um, you know what I'll try to do? I'll try to connect to my Wi-Fi using some other phone. Okay, I have a Samsung phone. Okay, let me just try to connect it with that. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Let's just see. Okay, so it has connected. Okay, there is a damn new connection. Okay, so it's in the probes, it is showing showing my Wi-Fi's name. Why is it showing my Wi-Fi's name? Notes EA Paul. What's that? I don't know much about that. But basically, I connected my. Okay, okay, so let's go to some websites. I know that will not be shown, but we'll use this file later on. So it is showing probes and all. I don't know why it is showing probes. The probes, why it is showing my Wi-Fi's name. Oh, so it is actually capturing. So most probably the first station 92S5 7F 264. This is actually you know what it is? It's my phone. It's my some Samsung phone. Anyway, whatever it is, let's press Control C. When you press Control C, it will quit. And the funny thing is, it's saved here. Oh, by automatically it added a 01 after that. We shouldn't have written it in the command. So we just have to open this file. So Wireshark, and you wait for it to open. Tada! Our Wireshark opens up. Go to File, Open, and in the root directory only you can file the file. Crazy, crazy. So, so the weird thing is, um, my Samsung phone is not actually shown here, sadly. Not much details are found, sadly. That's so sad. The source is 9262. So between the devices, the data was getting transferred. SSID. Is there somewhere Samsung written or anything? I don't think so. My Wi-Fi's name is written, except that I can't find anything important in this file. Okay, that is sad. I heard that when you click on it, you will be shown some information, but sadly, there is not much information we are able to see. So, how do we break the encryption? I don't know. How do we do that? I have no idea. Okay, these are the data we have saved from these files. So it is said in the coming videos they will teach us how to break the encryption. So at least we got like Azura Wave Tech. What is this Azura Wave Tech? Maybe this is my Wi-Fi chipset present in my phone. Azura. Um, okay, let me just search it on internet. What is the Wi-Fi chipset used in? Quick, quick, quick! Open up, bro. FBI. Internet is not working or something. It's working. So what is the Wi-Fi card chipset of Samsung A20? I guess it's Azura. Right? How do I know? Let's just chat GPT it. Chat GPT. Chat GPT beta. Entra, entra, entra. Oh god, why the chat GPT is not working here? Okay. Online chat GPT. Let's just use this one. But I'm sad and happy at the same time that it's working without any errors. But you know what I'm talking about, right? Should have worked. So let's just paste here. Let's just ask Qualcomm Wi-Fi chipset. So let me just ask it only. What is Azura? What is that? Azura, right? What kind of thing we got? Wireshark. We got something with the name of Skyworth. What is this? Where is Skyworth? I saw something like Skyworth. Yeah, what is this crap? Okay, let's just paste it here. First of all, let's just paste it in ChatGPT. Like, what is this crap mean? God, it took lifetime to load. Yeah, it ended up copying everything. But I just want um what is this thing? Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay, name of the Wireless Society for the Identity for Devices associated with Skyward brand consumer TVs and home. I know that it must be some device. So what device it is? What device it is? You have a typo in the question. Abhi yaar. Okay. What device it is? Appears to be a Wi-Fi network associated with Skyward digital devices like smart TV, TV, and everything. Nothing which shows here that is Samsung. So let's still try searching for more stuff on this. Some keywords with certain names. God, how much data did it collect? Why? Azura Wave. What is this Azura Wave tech? Is it Azura Wave tech? I don't know if it gets copied or not. Which company is this? Right, let me ask it. Which device is this? Can you name? Produces wireless communication, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth modules. So Hatmix gives like no clue at all. So yeah, it was not that successful for me because I literally am trying to scam through everything and I literally cannot find a relatable word here which is associated or anything. What is that? Broadband, Azure, Espressive. I don't know what are these things. PCB broadband. Anyway, so we just stop it for now and we go to the terminal and check clear. So fine. So we'll be doing all of that. We could not. I mean, like even if. Okay. Anyways, I'll do something else after this. So I'll catch you in the next video. So in the next video, we will be taught how to actually decrypt all of that. You know what I'm talking, right? Decrypt means the data was encrypted. How to decrypt it and take out some information, important information like passwords and the websites they have visited and everything. So till that, how to break the encryption and all, they will be teaching that. For now, just stay tuned and I love you so much. Keep hacking. Okay, keep hacking.